Continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, are essential methodologies ensuring rapid and reliable deployment of Azure AI solutions. They facilitate consistent integration of software changes and automate deployment to feedback quickly. For Azure AI solutions, CI/CD enhances system stability, reduces deployment risks, and speeds up feature delivery. Azure supports automation through integration with services such as Azure DevOps, GitHub Actions, and Azure Pipelines, providing versatile tools for orchestrating AI model lifecycle processes, from initial development to deployment and final production management. Implementing AI applications presents unique challenges such as model drift, reproducibility, and regulatory compliance. CI/CD methodologies automate rigorous testing, validation, and consistent model version handling, critical to maintain accurate, fair, and robust Azure AI solutions. This automation minimizes human errors during deployments, helps maintain model integrity and fairness, and ensures compliance with responsible AI principles previously covered. Within Azure, adopting CI/CD practices enhances scalability, stability, and compliance capabilities essential for modern AI applications. Azure DevOps provides extensive capabilities for managing CI/CD for Azure AI services. It offers a centralized system for version control via Azure repos, robust build pipelines via Azure Pipelines, and continuous deployment mechanisms suitable for AI models and services. Tasks specific to Azure AI include data management tasks, training model executions, evaluation tests, and automated deployment tasks to Azure Machine Learning Endpoints, Azure Cognitive Services, and Azure App Services. These integration points streamline the complete model lifecycle through automation, ensuring rapid and reliable deployments. Azure Pipelines enable build and deployment automation for AI solutions through YAML configuration files. YAML defines clear, human-readable workflows essential for transparency and ease of maintenance. Example pipeline stages: data preparation, fetching and pre-processing data, model training, invoking training algorithms, evaluation, testing the model's performance and metrics, deployment, automatically deploying validated models to Azure infrastructure. Clear structuring supports maintainability, simplifies troubleshooting, and enables rapid revisions reflecting changes and improvements to model code or configuration. GitHub Actions, integrated deeply with Azure, offers flexible automation workflows ideal for managing the lifecycle of AI models. Users can define workflows directly within their GitHub repositories. Potential tasks: trigger automated deployments upon push or pull request approvals. Automate interaction with Azure CLI and Azure Machine Learning. Execute Python scripts for model training and evaluation. GitHub Actions ensures that workflows are clearly documented, reproducible, and secure, nurturing collaboration and iterative improvement within development teams. Azure AI SDKs and REST APIs integrate directly into pipeline tasks, automating service interaction and enhancing workflow automation flexibility. Potential actions include triggering automatic model training sessions via Azure ML SDK, retrieving evaluation metrics programmatically through Azure's APIs, deploying models instantly via SDK deployment functionalities. These automated integrations reduce manual operations, eliminate potential sources of error, and ensure consistent operational oversight throughout the entire lifecycle of AI models, supporting robust service delivery. Automated testing ensures Azure AI models perform optimally before deployment, validating compliance with defined performance thresholds and regulatory guidelines. Key testing scenarios: functional tests, checking outputs validity; performance tests, validating model speed and accuracy; security tests, ensuring vulnerabilities are identified and remediated; automatic testing integrated within CI/CD pipelines helps maintain high reliability, quickly identifying issues, ensuring compliance with responsible AI principles, and continuously improving model performance. Pipeline monitoring tracks performance, accuracy, and reliability of Azure AI services from model training through deployment. Azure offers comprehensive monitoring tools such as App Insights, Azure Monitor, and Azure ML Model Monitoring. Monitoring involves alerts set up for failures or deviations, logging deployment actions, and pipeline runs, visual dashboards highlighting metrics. Integrating monitoring services into CI/CD workflows contributes proactively to system health, model stability, and compliance adherence, supporting efficient diagnosis and rapid issue resolution. Version control systems, Azure repos, GitHub, coupled with Azure Model Registry ensure consistent tracking of code, models, and associated artifacts. Advantages: maintain reproducibility by tracking exact code and configurations used. Ensure rollback capability to previous versions if new deployments fail. Facilitate collaborative workflows, enabling clear tracing of model histories. Such well-established versioning practices within CI/CD facilitate efficient team collaboration, effective troubleshooting, and clear accountability lines. Security is a fundamental consideration when deploying AI solutions. CI/CD practices enhance security measures via automated integration checks and enforce compliance. Security measures recommended: secure secrets and sensitive information through Azure Key Vault. Implement secure Azure DevOps environments with roles-based access. Conduct automated security tests within pipeline runs regularly. Integrating security into Azure AI CI/CD processes enables reliable and secure model deployments, ensuring adherence to standard security and regulatory standards across development cycles. Managing multiple models at an enterprise scale via CI/CD requires robust governance policies, automated workflows, and monitoring. Approaches include automated tagging and metadata management, scalability through Azure DevOps pipelines with environment-specific deployment strategies, seamless transition between staging and production environments. Emphasizing automation streamlines operations and ensures consistent enforcement of organizational standards and model governance across teams and projects, promoting efficient resource usage and enhanced productivity. Real-world Azure AI deployments commonly adopt hybrid approaches, combining Azure DevOps and GitHub Actions for maximum flexibility and capability. Example workflow scenario: source code stored in GitHub, automated training and validation pipelines orchestrated in Azure Pipelines, deployment triggered via GitHub Actions to Azure Machine Learning Managed Endpoints. This combination leverages both automation capacities, ensuring agile, transparent, manageable, and traceable processes, reflecting actual business scenarios and maximizing Azure AI service potentials.